Hey everybody, so I have another Guess What's in the Box video, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so this is going to be another Guess What's in the Box video. This box is 19¼ inches long by 14 inches wide by 3 3/8 thick. So, curious what you guys think is in it. I've got a couple more right there. Just wanted to make a quick little video. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and stopping by. It's not going to be a long video. Let me know what your guys' guesses are down below. If you guys guess what's in the box correctly, whoever that is, or if you guys are close, I will get your guys' information. I'll send out a sticker from Olsa Tools, as well as a sticker from Wrench Trench Garage, which is a buddy of mine. I have a bunch of his stickers. So let me know what your guys' guesses are down below. I appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tool affiliate links. And I have a Olsa Tools link at the very top of the description. If you guys click on that link, you can get 10% off of your first order. Hopefully that helps you guys if you guys need organization or anything like that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!